In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Keep Notes app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, I'll remove the app and then get started by going to Google Play Store. Now, if you open Google Play Store, just search for your app, Keep Notes, and here we go. If I run the search, you can see we have here Keep Notes. So to distinguish this from any fake app, just tap on it, and you want to ensure that it is from Google LLC. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 2 million reviews. The file size is averagely 10 MBs, and this app has been downloaded a lot, over 1 billion downloads. Now, if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. So this is a quick note-taking app, and to install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Keep Note Google app and install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, it should now be available on your apps. So if I open my apps, now you can see we have our Keep Notes app here. Open it, and this is the welcoming interface. You can now log in with your Gmail to start using this app. So that's how you can install the right Keep Note app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.